Emily.
Chef Ray Wilson.
Oh my God, doing some work actually. 5/20/22 times 24. 500 rolls for lunch, for dinner. So that'll combine those two events. We got 4 hot events going on today. I think 12 events total. The rolls are now about 31 cents a piece delivered, which is unbelievable because, you know, not long ago rolls were 10 cents a piece, dinner rolls. So getting that from Sam's, they're super fresh every day. It's very basic, it totally works, and it comes out to, I think, about 17 cents a roll. So on 500, if we get them delivered at 30 cents a roll, what would we say, 13 cents a roll? It's gas money. You know what I'm saying? Fucking gas money. So what I'll do is I'll just walk around. I'll make sure we're safe and sanitary. I'll say hola, chica.
Mucho work.
I know, mucho trabajo. But this is exciting to walk into, right? Because we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people in motion in production. We got me here, who's really just a support mechanism at the end of the day. Quick, I just picked up all this stuff from Sam's, you know. We're doing a new burrito on our menu, so those big ass tortillas will become the burritos. This is some breakfast stuff, you know, the cheese, you know, we've got 5 times 8, 40, 80 pounds of shredded cheese there. That'll be gone in the next 2 days between events. And we haven't been busy for 5 months, and it's kicked our ass, but we're seeing a little light at the end of the tunnel. We've got a couple more months left in this year, but come 2024, these videos might look a little bit different. There might be a lot more people around. I think one of the neatest things that this team has been able to do is come from, I put all the other rolls over there, Chef.
Yeah, I just need a few more for this and a bunch more tonight.
Yep. Let's walk this way. We've got a bunch of really high-speed culinarians here, and with some of the strict restraints about working in the hotel, you got to find a happy medium. You know, our previous life up to the last 3 years has all been elevated catering, super high-end, super attention to detail, super high expectation, and that's what I dig on. We do all the same stuff here, but we don't play with foie gras. You know, because it's not asked for, it's not demanded for. You know, people love a good ham and cheese sandwich, and that's what you got to provide sometimes. You know, you got to meet people where they are, not only in life but with food, I think, right?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Look behind,
baby.
behind.
You drinking last night? See? Looks like glaze on that head.
Word.
Did you get you a new
Well, I also was just fucking pulling 200 pounds of fucking ravioli. So, you know what I mean? That tilt skillet definitely got me steamy.
And mucho romaine.
I got 2 things of romaine.
Yeah, but that was on the list for the restaurant.
I think there was one.
She got wraps
Hey,
tonight. So we gotta get this romaine in.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I can get to Restaurant Depot.
What's on?
I don't know. Let's call it. I get there by 10:05. Fuck. Where's fucking Ricky Boy?
Text your number 2 and see if you can stop him whenever.
Text him right now. My phone's on
It
the car.
won't be the same for me.
All right, fine. Tell me what. Make sure the list is fucking up to date, and I'll have him stop. Does he need to be here for anything?
Negative. Not good.
I mean, just to get anything out. But I think we have everything in house aside from the salad containers that we need right now, right? Are we out of them in the micro market?
I mean, it was on the list yesterday when you said you were going to a restaurant.
I know. I know. That's me. It's totally me. All right. Only thing that's mission critical right now is the containers. The rest of the shit I can get after.
And orange juice.
Not for today. Do I need OJ for today? That shit just hit the list, goddammit. All right.
Good morning, Emily.
Good morning.
What do you got going on?
You know, we're building some platters with desserts here.
What's the guest count? How many people?
You're asking the wrong person. Let's see.
60 from Elvis?
Exactly.
We learned something today.
Yeah, there you go.
Thank you.
Delicious panini beanie ravioli. Hefe says, bro, be yourself. So I'm gonna be me. So you're gonna have to give me my own channel.
I'm just trying to organize everything and get it ready for pickup in an hour.
Gotcha. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, we just refilled collage. She had told us we ran out of turkey sausage.
Whose fault was that?
Nobody, because we didn't run out actually. We did not run out. Everybody's sitting down. Hopefully they like the food.
I'm sure they will. You cooked it, right?
This a guy right here.
Oh, it's the chef this morning?
Yeah.
Master chef.
What's going on right here? What are you guys looking at?
So next we got the town hall running out. That's what Amy was doing the cupcakes for. Then after that we got the buffet for $250.
Buffets for $250 back to back.
Well, the town hall is $60. This buffet is $250.
And that's $250 at 10:45. And then
This one right here is $230.
$230 at 11 a.m.
Exactly.
And then what?
That's a little later.
$220 for this afternoon, $245.
Then we have the plated dinner for tonight for $225.
$225 tonight.
I mean, this is the little plate up breakdown for
Okay.
tonight. That's telling you everybody who's going to be there, what time plate up's going to start, and what time pickup is, and the recovery. I don't see your name on there.
Yeah, salad gang gang. See that precision sprinkling there? Carrot Bay, look. 225.
225.
A light work day.
So you get it done early and then tonight,
Yes.
you want just what, chicken piccata?
Yep.
Is that what it is tonight? All right.
Whatever.
You're such a camera hog.
Yeah.
News get rolled out to the event space.
And then the desserts are right over here.
Alright, here we go. Hey, what's happening? How you doing? Today's ingredients is a fine combination of starch, veg, and protein. You got roasted potatoes, beautifully seasoned zucchini, and chicken piccata. We're going a little Italian style tonight. My man Chef Rob has got the piccata sauce right over here. We got Nick on the end, dressing it off, making it look real pretty. It's piccata, roasted potato, and zucchini.
You done know all the things set up.
Yes, the dessert tonight is pecan pie.
Yummy.
We started that off with a fresh garden salad. This is a plate up for 225 people. Emily, how you feel?
Good, feeling great.
Yeah, here it is. You got India right next to me putting it really down, getting down for a crown. Huh? But yeah, it's just a real simple chicken piccata, roasted potato, and zucchini.
Thank you, chef.